What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janae Lynette, and I'm back with another video. It's her 22nd birthday, and we finna be lit. We are on our way to the Poconos, so I'm gonna see you guys when we get there.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Where did you do it?
Birthday girl.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this.
Alright, y'all, so we finally made it after a couple hours. I would say maybe 4 hours because I did miss an exit. So next you guys are gonna be seeing me make some party bags.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you'll find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Tell me, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're tryna leave, I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast, now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say, oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me, I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. Are you tryna leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, girl, I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh, I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, hope you can understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. She want to, man.
I am outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many
the makeup is done. I still gotta put lashes on. Once I put my lashes on, I think everything should be good. My eyebrows are definitely sisters and not twins, so don't hurt for me. I'm about to see my outfit and what I put on. Okay, outfit. With the black, I'm not sure if I should do the black sparkly socks or the gray ones. I was supposed to get white ones, but I didn't have time. So you guys are gonna see me with this outfit on in 3, 2, 1. Hey, I want to show you all. I want to show you all.
It's a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south.
Y'all, it's cold as shit out this motherfucker.
If you tryna see me knock your socks off, told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a man.
I'm about to go either to the casino or the bowling alley. It's cold. We bowling. Oh, Keith, Jordan, girl.
No, when I get into focus.
It costs an arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me prick. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color rate. Bitches like to run their mouth, but I'm the.
We at the casino. It's real dark. I gotta get you when we get there.
Type run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Make me pull my diamond tester out. You bitch, you counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know, baby.
I only got a 20. How much you got?
Oh, I got 60.
60.
No, I'm confused.
She's getting 20.
Must be $30. Clear.
38. Mom, how much you get out?
60.
You trying to give me a 20 to make it 40 or 40?
No.
Yeah, no, I don't know how to.
Okay, sorry.
Why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie, bitch. Like your pussy. We all know that cat is getting fixed. When I see that head play, that nigga know what time.
Alright guys, we are back home. And this will conclude the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications. I will see you guys in the next video.